Hey everybody, this is Vivek from iDrive Alberta. Well, we always pay a good amount of money to clean the car from outside, and if we go for premium or deluxe, they also clean it under the car. But when we open our hood to top up our windshield washer fluid or check our engine oil levels, we always feel like there is something missing. So let's check out how to clean our engine in the car wash today. In the coin car wash, there is a setting called tire and engine cleaner. We will switch it to that, spray our engine and tires with the cleaner and let it soak so that it can dissolve all the oil stains and dirt. Once we have sprayed it all, then shut the hood temporarily, switch your settings to soap and wash the rest of your car with the soap while you are letting the engine soak in the engine cleaner. Then you will turn it into rinse and clean it with the clean water. Just rinse it out, all the engine cleaner chemical. Once that is done, we will turn it to wax, shut down our hood, and then clean the rest of the car with the wax. You can also use spot-free rinse after that. And once the engine will dry, it will look clean. Well, that's it for today. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for following.